Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, then we have to open wallpaper. And for example, we can choose wallpaper from our photos, so I'm gonna choose this one. And then here we have set wallpaper, and right here we have to click lock screen. And that is our new lock screen wallpaper. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!